Okay guys, this is KB Customs. Yes, in this video I'll be showing you how to weld a exhaust pipe. Yes, I do 3 welded exhaust pipe in this video, so 3 joints I mean. Yes, so when I was welding the pipe I could not speak, so I decided to do a voice on the video right now. So this is my exhaust of a BMW Z3. Is a 2.5 square pipe. Yes, so I do this welding by using a stick welding machine, so which the outcomes came out real well and I love it. So on the pipe I have 3 joint area that will be welding on this pipe, which I'll be showing you what I did and what I did not done on the other joint. Yes, so please stay tuned to the end, watch this video to the end so that you can achieve what I want to teach you on this welding pipe. So I will want you guys to take a 1 minute, yes, no, 1 minute 1 second to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Yes, because I'll be showing you a lot, and if you watch my previous video you will see that I do a lot of video that I'm sure is so benefiting for people to watch. So thank you for your like and comment. So as you can see, I start by welding this pipe gently with a stick welding and laying a spark welding on the another. Yes, because the pipe was so flexible, not too thick pipe. Yes, so you don't have to put your welding direct welding on it. I do this because to avoid some hold and then irregular welding. That's why I welded it with spark welding. As you can see, touching it and taking it off, that's spark welding. And I make sure that as I'm putting my hand back to the welding, I'm touching at the tip of the last welding. Yes, I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. So to get a proper cover welding and a nice outcome welding. Yes, as you can see, I'm using only one hand to weld it. Yes, using my second hand to hold it on. Yes, because I'm not using device here, because if you are using device you have to stop and lose the device and retight it back. So at this point I've finished this round welding. Then I move, yes, to the next welding area. Yes, and trying to set it the way is going to be easy for me as I'm welding, then turning it. You can see how I'm turning the, yes, the pipe, the exhaust. Yes, for me to see if I'm going to be able to, as I'm welding, is going to be able to move around. So, and then patience is the key of welding it. Yes, taking your time to see that your hand is so accurate. Yes, as it should. Yes, if you weld it for the first time and it didn't look good, you will have to grind it up, which I did in the next video. Yes, I'll be showing you in the next video how I did it. Yes, among the 3 I think the last one was not too good, so I have to grind it and put another layer on it. So I finish up with the first stick of electrode, pick the second stick and then start at the point, yes, that I stop by trying to get enough heat. Yes, you can see I do a couple of weld, yes, a couple of touch on the on where I stop, yes, to blend up the previous welding. So then started moving up. So if your hand jump, you can see my hand jump a little, yes, with a little step. So you reverse back, yes, just go back and then touch where your hand jump, yes, because you know this stick is very long. It's long, like you can't compare it with when the electrode was short, like half of the point I am now. Yes, so when you want to touch it, you will kind of skip a little. So, and I take my time by, you know, it's not easy for me to hold with one hand and be welding it. Even if you call someone to hold it and turn it for you, it will be a kind of not balance, imbalance, because you are two different person. The person is looking somewhere else while you are doing some looking the other side. So it's better you hold it yourself. You know exactly where you want to weld, and you should point your electrode towards where you want to, and at the same time you turn it. You can see how I'm turning it gradually and taking the step by step spark welding. So I think I finish up the second welding, then I will move on to the third welding. Yes, patience is the key of welding. Yes, as you can see, I really don't rest enough. The first welding is much better than the second welding, and I can say now let's watch the third welding and see how far I've gone. And when you are taking it, please be careful. This thing is hot right now. I don't know, I put my hand, yes, it hurts me, yes. So, and prevention is the key, yes, by my hand glove that I wear, make it not me to feel it too much. So I'll place my hat on the body of the exhaust and then see, yes, so the exhaust is rolling pretty much more than the way I want. So I place it, but I'm still going to get it done. This is the last welding that we are going to be doing. And as you can see, if your first welding you feel that the first welding was good more than the second welding, please just take a break, and then after some minutes you come back and continue. Yes, that will give you a real good welding to make them to be accurate. Yes, if you are tired, you stop and rest. Oh yes, then you can continue from exactly. You can see how I'm taking some break. Yes, it's not easy to stand, yes, so that you know hurting your back is to eat, and sitting down using a stick welding, you know, a hot pieces can fall on your leg, so be careful. Yes, protect yourself, guide yourself, and all that. So the key of the welding is just be patient. As you are welding, you feel, once you are welding and you feel that you are going out of it or the thing is not looking nice, I just stop and take a break. Yes, you can see I'm taking a break and I'm still turning it. Yes, yeah, so that is it. Please don't forget to protect yourself. Yes, it's very important. um So at this point I finished the second electrode, putting the third one to round up the last welding. So uh, as I'm rounding up this welding, don't forget to go and like, comment, and then subscribe for more video, because I'll be dropping the second video and showing you how I ground this last welding. Yes, yeah, it doesn't look nice to me, so I grind it off. Not, I just grind it, yes, and I put the second layer on it. So I don't want this video to be too long. Please subscribe to my channel and like. Please, if you have any question, please drop your question. I will answer it immediately. Yes, thank you for watching. Yes, and please share my page, my videos, if it is helpful. Yes, thank you. I will see you on the next one.